We teach the press with a hip movement to start the bar upward, as opposed to a push press, which is a knee movement. We don't want to use the knees on the press because it's so easy to get to where you're pressing a whole lot more weight than you actually are pressing, just by pushing hard with the knees and extending those things, driving the bar up to the top of your forehead before the press movement itself even starts. So in lieu of that, what we do is we use the hips. And the hips add a whole bunch of muscle mass to the movement pattern without making it so damned easy that it is that it's cheating, so to speak. Okay. Now, when you push your hips forward from a standing position, what you are essentially doing is creating a curve in a position of your body which is shorter than the same distance of you standing completely erect. When you push the hips forward, you introduce a curve, and the bar sitting on your shoulders lowers down. Then you bounce out of the curve, and this imparts some upward momentum to the bar that you catch and finish as the top part of the press. Now, a lot of times we'll see beginners trying to master this movement pattern will start with their hips moving back. And that is absolutely not the idea. Absolutely not the movement pattern we want to do. You start that kind of press, and we call this an Olympic press, with forward hip movement out here like this. Push your belt buckle forward. Everybody's got a belt on. And you're going to push the belt forward, and when it gets far enough forward, the tendency will be for it to rebound backwards. And that rebound imparts upward momentum to the barbell, which you then catch and drive up to lockout. Once again, keeping the bar as close as possible to your shoulders. Now, the shoulders in that movement are moving back toward the bar as you rebound from the belt buckle being pushed forward. This reinforces good mechanics of keeping as short a moment arm as possible between the barbell and the shoulder joint. So keep this trick in mind. You push the belt buckle forward, and that push forward generates a rebound that starts the bar upward in the press.